Lesley Joseph is currently on tour for Sister Act the musical as the veteran actress wows audiences in her role as Mother Superior. The Birds of a Feather star has addressed her close friendships with her co-stars Linda Robson, 64, and Pauline Quirke, 63. The beloved sitcom returned for a Christmas special in 2020 with Lesley, 77, and Linda reprising their characters, but unfortunately Pauline did not return for the festive comeback. Pauline, who starred as Sharon the Autopolypotis in Birds of a Feather from 1989 to 1998 and again from 2014 to 2017, opened up the first branches of the Pauline Quirke Academy of Performing Arts across the UK alongside her husband Steve Sheen in 2007. The Dorian Green actress has ruled out a potential Birds of a Feather reunion as she opened up about her two co-stars. The on-screen star admitted that while she and Linda love to take part in various reality television shows, Pauline is more focused on her theatre company. Pauline never liked doing things like that. Linda and I did Supermarket Sweep, which I adored, Lesley explained. I love all of the reality shows. There are some I won't do, but I love doing stuff like that. So does Linda. Pauline never did because she loved her serious work. She added, when she opened all of her theaters that became quite a handful really because they have got a lot. That's what she will concentrate on now. While Lesley admittedly has no plans for another Birds of a Feather television return, she would happily work with Pauline and Linda anytime and anywhere. I would do anything with Linda and Pauline now and forever. I adore them and they are what I call family, she gushed. She explained the trio are different and they all enjoy various things when it comes to their acting work. Lesley commented, at the end of lockdown, Linda and I did celebrity coach trip for example. We had 3 weeks in Portugal and I've never had such a good time. We were suddenly unleashed onto the world again doing a different thing every single day and we ended up winning it. Ozzy Osbourne admits touring days are over in honest admission. Latest Amanda Holden strips down to lingerie and ageless Valentine's Day shoot pictures. Meghan Markle's bombshell book not needed right now. Royals. Meanwhile, Lesley has won over audiences with a captivating portrayal of Mother Supreme in Sister Act the musical. She explained, I started this job last May when we did it for London at the Eventim Apollo. That was an amazing experience. I have to be honest, I've never really done a show like this, having done so many musicals all of my life, but the reaction this show has is off the page. It's actually a wonderful show, Lesley said of Sister Act. At the end when we're singing Raise Your Voices and the curtain goes up, the whole audience, even people on the upper floor, are standing up and waving their arms from side to side. The performer said she has been moved by the reaction from the packed audiences, leaving her emotional at times. She continued, some nights it actually makes me quite tearful actually. Because having been through what theatre has been through for the last few years, which has not been pleasant, the whole lockdown experience. Now, actually seeing a packed audience all up on their feet. The reaction that we get is actually quite moving.